We are in week 6, Monday. This week we are doing all keto recipes. I wanted to try something different. So most of these recipes are from the internet, but I tweaked it. I tweaked it to meet my needs, but also to make it a little different. So for today, for Monday, we have crispy tofu and a salad. The salad has 2 types of broccolis, a little bit of carrot that I julienned, then thin strips of green onions and a vinaigrette. Now for the tofu, that's the only cooked piece today. So we're going to put this in the oven. So what I did before is I drained off the water. So how I did that was I put paper towel, wrapped the tofu, and I bought farm tofu. And then I pressed it down with a heavy object and let it sit for about 2 hours. 2.5 hours. I changed the paper towel after that and pressed it again for another 2.5 hours. So total about 4 to 6 hours. And then I marinated this. Very simple marinade: soy sauce, sesame oil, some water, some garlic, and then I kept it overnight. And today what we'll do is we'll put it in the oven at 350 for about 35-40 minutes, and that should crisp this up. So we're not frying anything, and the salad, the rest of it is raw. So we have 2 types of bok choy. I cut these are bigger bok choys. I cut these, and then these are new to the market. These bok choy are actually planted indoors, and so in the terrace type gardens that we have, and it is beautiful to taste. So really good. So this came this way. So it was already pre-cut. I just washed everything. With bok choy, with any greens, you need to wash it very thoroughly. Especially with bok choy, what happens is in the folds there's a lot of dirt. So you clean it a couple of times before this is ready. So once the tofu is done, we will assemble the salad, because I don't want to assemble the salad right now, it will wilt. I want the crunchiness of all the vegetables, and then we'll put it together. So we'll come back in about 35-40 minutes to show you how we put it together. The oven is ready. Let's put this in. So it's 350. So I set it for 35 minutes and then we'll come back. That's the dish, tofu, crispy tofu with salad which has bok choy, 2 types of bok choys, carrots and some green onions. Very simple, very easy recipe, very healthy, a keto salad. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, liking my recipes and commenting on them. Keep doing so, it helps us. Have a great day and bon appetit. See you tomorrow.